I've been making roller coaster videos for about 3 years now, and I have a deep collection with 133 roller coaster reviews, about 75 park reviews or countdowns, over 300 off-ride or POV videos, 5 roller coaster tycoon videos, and 18 additional videos. To celebrate getting 300 subscribers, I released a series of posts and then a video detailing my top 10 videos that just didn't get a lot of views, or videos that you probably missed. As part of this series to celebrate getting 900 to 1,000 subscribers, I'd like to highlight my favorite videos that I've made. Number 15. Review of Catapult Fall. One of only 2 ride reviews to make this list, and one of my only non-coaster ride reviews. This new for 2024 ride was special as I got to ride it near opening week, and spent some time quickly getting my review up. Some recency bias is also applied here as I can trust that this is a well-made video versus some of my older reviews. Number 14. Holiday in the Park 2024 at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. A video ranking Fiesta, Texas shows is something that I've always wanted to do. Not just to make the video, but also to clearly record and show which shows were active during that particular year. Number 13. Review of Serpent at Six Flags Astroworld. The lone roller coaster review on this list, this coaster spent time as my favorite overall coaster while I was a kid, and it is just a special coaster with its setting in the woods. Even Mini Mine Train at Six Flags Over Texas is pretty special for me to ride. So there's just so many good memories of this coaster. Number 12. Review of the San Antonio Aquarium. Watching this review when it came out, I really liked it as it just seemed to be a niche San Antonio place to go and visit. I am still sad that they don't have the roller coaster anymore though. Number 11. Review of Fantasia Lagoon Korat. On my wife and I's first wedding anniversary, she took me not only to McDonald's, but also to the last amusement park in Thailand outside of Bangkok that I was missing. I figured that I likely wasn't going to get this park credit, but it did work out that we were able to go back, so there's a special connection that I have with this Isan park. Number 10. Happy birthday to my wife. Top 10 travel moments together. Looking back at my various trips in Thailand is always something special, and there is something nice about going beyond just the roller coasters that I visited. Number 9. Roller Coasters of Thailand. My channel's namesake. This video ranks the roller coasters in Thailand. Not only was this a mission of mine to complete the country's coasters, I'm currently missing Butterfly, and the new for 2024 human-powered coaster at Happy Sunshine Park. But it is just nice to see and remember all of my travels around this amazing country. Number 8. Happy birthday to my wife. Why I love Jirapon and our story. Making a video to explain my love story was something special, and it doesn't hurt to go back and watch it every now and then, at least for me. Number 7. Dynamite Dunes Excavation. My first attempt at making a Roller Coaster Tycoon video. There are things about this video that just aren't perfect, but it is just fun to see that I attempted something on my favorite RC Tycoon park. Number 6. Review of Mae Fung Water Park. Despite its very basic offerings, this park just has an incredible Isan feel that I want to share with everyone, including myself. I'm sad that I didn't get to experience more of their rides or their coasters, but this is a flavor of park so unique to my wife's region of the world that I can't help but think about it every now and then. Number 5. Top 10 rides at ZDT's Amusement Park. ZDT's is my happy place. when it comes to Texas amusement parks. So it is really special being able to go back and watch my thoughts on the incredible rides at this great and amazing park. Number 4. Top 25 Southeast Asian bucket list coasters. One of the longest videos that I've made when I released it. This helps define for me my goals when it comes to visiting Southeast Asia, even if riding most of these coasters is a far-off dream for me. It did help me narrow down Quoc as the place to visit on my most recent trip to the region, and will help guide me whenever I go back as well. Number 3. Review of Big River's Water Park and Adventure Park. With my focus on this park for the 2024 season, being able to share my thoughts on Big Rivers was special. I really also thought I'd get bored watching it again, as I normally watch my videos to check the final edits, as well as watch them again when they come out. And with a 30-minute long video, I was thinking I'd definitely get distracted. But I was actually fully engaged like the entire time. Maybe I just appreciated that most of Rolling Thunder is on a different video, but... Number 2. Traveling to Quoc, Vietnam to ride roller coasters, travel tips, and more. Few videos have been so actively in my mind while traveling around and visiting places. But my trip to Vietnam required me to do a few new to me things, and I wanted to share my experiences with others to make it easier for people to follow in my footsteps. Plus, it was a really enjoyable trip. Oh, except for staying at the Vin Pearl Resort. I wouldn't do that again. Number 1. Trying to reason with hurricane season and twisted cyclone. Jimmy Buffett and an RMC. Jimmy Buffett is my favorite musician, and I'm really happy with how this video turned out, and that almost all of the video lines up with the song lines. I just copied my video from the Twisted Cyclone review, and the only part that is a bit repetitive feels so in that review as well. I do end up clicking on it a fair amount when YouTube recommends it to me. Which video of mine are your favorite? Do you appreciate any of these videos that I've listed? Let me know. And as always, Kapkun Krap. See, isn't it good?